Hey there, viewers. Many of us believe that making healthy, tasty dinners at home is demanding and time-consuming. We're here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. When it comes to meals, it's better to keep things simple. This means picking recipes that are easy to follow and don't include too many stages or complicated instructions. In today's video, we'll be talking about 10 easy and quick recipes for healthy dinners. Can stuffed sweet potatoes make a satisfying dinner? What about curry? We're talking about all of these and more. Number 1. Stuffed sweet potatoes. There's nothing better than a scrumptious sweet potato dinner. You can mash them, bake them, put them in soups, or even dice them up for a healthy salad. Studies show that sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin A, and fiber, among other minerals. Most of us have had stuffed sweet potatoes at least once in our lifetime. If you're looking for a recipe suggestion, you can load an entire sweet potato with sautéed vegetables, beans, chicken, and cheese after roasting it. This dish is quite adaptable, with a wide range of taste combinations to choose from. You can simply pile up your favorite ingredients onto a roasted sweet potato. Which is your favorite sweet potato recipe? Sound off in the comments section and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. One-pot soups. If you're looking for nutritious comfort or just a warm meal, soup could be just what you're looking for. Eating a bowl of soup may be a simple, quick, and pleasant way to add more nutrients to your diet. Soup also has a lot of taste, despite being low in added fats and calories. A thick cup of soup is one of the most satisfying meals you can have at dinner time. It's easy to cook and makes a great meal prep option, because you can quickly create huge servings. Soups that only require one pot are my favorites because they take less time to clean up. Several soup recipes may be made in only one pot to save time. Research shows that vegetable consumption is linked to a lower risk of weight gain. This is big for anyone who's concerned about developing heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. And we all know that soup is also a simple and delicious way to increase your veggie intake. Chicken soup, pea soup, and quinoa soup are only some of the delicious one-pot recipes you can eat at dinner. Feel like you're missing out? Make sure you join our millions of viewers by hitting that subscribe button and staying up to date on all of our great Bestie content. Number 3. Whole roasted chicken. Even though roasting a whole chicken takes some time, it couldn't be any more straightforward. You can simply pack the bottom of the roasting pan with potato wedges, onions, and carrot chunks, while roasting the whole chicken so that the vegetables can cook with the meat. Easy-to-cook chicken is a great source of high-quality protein for people who have difficulty chewing or swallowing foods. Studies show that chicken is packed with vitamins and minerals that are important for your brain function. Vitamin B12 and choline are found in both dark and white flesh chicken. These may assist your brain, nervous system, and cognitive abilities. Remember to rest your chicken for 15 minutes after it's finished roasting. Use that time to prepare a quick salad and have a delicious, wholesome dinner. Number 4. Burgers. Burgers are a terrific choice for family dinners because they're easy to prepare. While beef burgers are popular, burgers can be made from almost any protein source, including ground chicken, salmon, tuna, and lentils. Studies state that not only do 82% of consumers think that burgers are a good source of nutrients, but most of them would pay more for burgers cooked using premium ingredients. To meet your dietary preferences, serve your burgers on a sturdy whole grain bun, lettuce wrap, or on top of a bed of greens. The protein composition of your burger will be somewhat increased by adding whole wheat buns and some condiments. A typical hamburger bun has 4 grams of protein, while a slice of potato, a tablespoon of ketchup, and teaspoon of mustard each add less than a gram. When you're making your burger, using lean ground beef will not only enhance your protein intake, but it'll also help reduce your fat. If you're not a fan of meat-based burgers, we have a solution for you. There are plant-based burgers that can easily compete gram for gram with beef and poultry. You can serve this delicious dinner with a big salad and roasted sweet potato fries. Number 5. Curry. Curry is a great option for a quick, satisfying dinner because it's simple to prepare and suitable for the whole family. Additionally, research shows that eating curry daily may benefit your health by lowering heart disease risk factors such as excessive triglycerides and blood sugar levels. You can make hearty chickpea and sweet potato curry and serve it over rice or quinoa. Also, curry powder contains spices like turmeric, coriander, and chili pepper, so there's no surprise that it's been demonstrated to have anti-inflammatory properties. Many curry recipes take 30 minutes or less to prepare, so you can set the table in no time, even after a hectic day at work. Thai chicken curry, red curry, and chickpea curry are some of the delicious versions you can try. Before we move ahead, here's another video you might like. Check out 50 foods you must avoid if you want to lose weight. Now, back to our talk on dinner ideas. Number 6. Grain bowls. Grain bowls can be made with any grain. Simply top a portion of grains with cooked or raw veggies and a protein source like fried or hard-boiled eggs, grilled shrimp, or salmon. You can drizzle some lemon juice or olive oil to enhance the flavors. Grains are a good source of fiber, as well as other minerals like magnesium. According to a study, grain-rich diets have been associated with a lower risk of various health issues, including colon cancer, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. The famous Green Goddess Buddha bowl uses a combination of brown rice, roasted broccoli, peas, avocado, hard-boiled eggs, toasted pumpkin seeds, and creamy yogurt. Aside from this, Thai chicken Buddha bowls and sweet potato and chickpea Buddha bowls are some recipes you need to try. Number 7. Dinner salad. Large salads are one of the most common go-to dinners, especially when you don't feel like cooking. The problem with most salads is they aren't well balanced, and you'll find yourself hungry again after you've finished your meal. Make sure to incorporate lots of protein, healthy fats, and fiber while preparing a hearty salad. Begin by assembling a base of your favorite greens, such as spinach, mixed greens, arugula, kale, or romaine lettuce. To increase the fiber content of your greens, add a few additional vegetables like peppers, cucumbers, carrots, broccoli, or red onions. Research reveals that leafy greens can maintain brain function as you grow older. There is further evidence that leafy vegetables such as broccoli and cabbage can produce antidepressant enzymes. Including them in your dinner salads can improve your mood. You can also add grilled chicken, shrimp, salmon, or hard-boiled eggs as a protein source. Remember that the fullness factor will only increase by adding a fiber-rich carb source like beans or roasted sweet potatoes. You can dress your salads with roasted sunflower or pumpkin seeds for a crunchy texture, and then drizzle it with olive oil and balsamic vinegar for dressing. Number 8. Loaded brown rice pasta. Pasta can be part of a healthy diet when consumed in moderation. Whole grain pasta has very few calories and carbs, but a lot of fiber and nutrients. Studies have found that whole grain pasta can reduce hunger better than regular pasta. Most pasta dishes have no components to keep you happy, such as protein or fiber. Fortunately, you can cook a nutritious pasta in no time with just a few basic instructions. Choose your pasta first. Brown rice or whole wheat pasta can be a good choice, but you can buy any preferred option. If you follow a low-carb eating plan, you can also use zucchini noodles in place of pasta. Generally, whole grain pasta is high in fiber, magnesium, selenium, copper, and phosphate, while refined pasta is higher in iron and B vitamins. Select a protein source for your pasta. We suggest using chicken breast or ground chicken, or add chickpeas if you prefer plant protein. Choose your veggies next. Who doesn't like a classic spinach and broccoli mix? But ideally, every veggie works while preparing a portion of pasta. Finally, pick a sauce like pesto, olive oil, or tomato and basil. Number 9. Veggie loaded frittatas. For those of you who don't know, a frittata is an egg-based Italian dish, supplemented with things like meat, cheese, and vegetables. It's quite similar to an omelet or crustless quiche. Eggs belong to more than just breakfast meals. For fast, delicious dinners like frittatas, they can be used as a protein source. Eggs are loaded with nutritious fat and protein, so just add some of your favorite vegetables to meet your fiber needs. Frittatas are really easy to make. You can whip them up in less than an hour. Some of the suggested vegetables are asparagus, spinach, sweet potatoes, onions, broccoli, mushrooms, and tomatoes. Some are also quite popular. In addition, you can make your frittata more flavorful by adding cheese, herbs, spices, and pesto. You can even include remains such as fish, chicken shreds, and potatoes. Some sliced avocado or fresh fruit on the side is the best way to serve frittatas. This is a dinner you can enjoy every day. Number 10. Sheet pan meals. This is the best idea for people who don't feel like cleaning dishes. Dinners on a sheet pan cook quickly at temperatures of 375 to 425. A large majority of dinner recipes need the use of mini pans, bowls, and pots. However, sheet pan food can be cooked on a single sheet and stocked with all your ingredients at once. It'll save you time in the kitchen. Many of your dinner classics can easily be moved from a cooktop to a sheet pan. All you have to do is leave your pots on the shelf next time you have your chicken, tofu, or shellfish on the dinner menu. The dishes featured in this video are not only healthy, but they're also easy to make. Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more dinner-related videos, shall we? Here's what you need to know. Check out the 8 best dinner foods to help you lose weight naturally. Or how about 14 reasons why you should eat dinner early? Go ahead and click one, or better yet, watch both and learn how better dinner habits can help you lead a healthier life. Do you have some delicious dinner recipes? Let us know in the comments below.